Have you been wondering how to get a guy to notice you but feel like your efforts haven't worked? Does it feel like no matter what you do around him, he doesn't even know you exist? It's likely that you have your eye on a guy and you want to try and turn his attention your way. The good news is that it's not super difficult and it's not going to take that long either. Before you know it, his eyes will be firmly on you, and that you can start flirting up a storm. The first step is smile at him. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, I will be so happy. Don't play hard to get. If you aren't noticeable, he can notice you. Get in front of him. This might sound obvious, but he's never going to notice you if he can't see you. Smile and make eye contact. When you smile at him, make sure he sees you do so. Men are much more likely to approach women that let them to know they exist. Play with your hair. Push it behind your ear or flip it over your shoulder. You could also try running your fingers through your hair or twirling a leg around your finger when he looks your way. However you do it, fiddling with your hair is a classic subtle way to flirt. Next step is let him see your best side. What do you like about yourself? If you want to get a guy to notice you and like something about you, you need to make sure you reveal your best side to him. Maybe you're proud of your legs, so show them off. If it's your breast, stand upright. If it's anything else, just make sure you do something to accentuate your asset. It's all physical now and shallow, but when it comes to getting a guy's attention, put physical appearance and confidence before nice personality, at least at first sight. 4. Do something amazing. We all notice people that do something amazing, whether it's the guy in your chemistry lab class or the hot dude in marketing. Do something awesome that has people talking. Give a brilliant answer, do something for him that takes a load off of his work, have an awesome article published, or simply succeed in a way that has you standing out from the crowd. The last one is be fun and alive when he's around. Guys can't resist a fun, flirty girl with a sweet laugh. Spend time with your friends, be seen in the right places, and indulge in fun activities. Guys love a girl's laugher. It always gets their attention.